Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 1. Arjuna said, O Krishna, you praise renunciation of action and again yoga, performance of action. Tell me conclusively that which is the better of the two.
Chapter 5, Shloka 1. Arjuna uvacha sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogancha shamsasi yachreya etayor yekam tanme bruhi sunishchitam.
Chapter 5, Shloka 1. In the earlier chapters, we saw Arjuna's grief, the goal of life and paths to reach the goal at different stages, karma and its defects, karma yoga and yagna and its benefits, the 12 different types of yagnas and how they prepare you for the path of knowledge, where the ego discovers itself to be the consciousness. The expressions of tamas, rajas, and sattva in individuals as inactivity, activity, and inactivity depending upon the moods present and the individual temperaments demand specific treatments at different stages to exhaust the tendencies and finally redeem the ego of its delusion to experience the Supreme. Preparation for knowledge through yagna activities have been explained in the last chapter. The renunciation is the subject matter of this chapter, and meditation is dealt with in the next chapter. So the two ends of the entire path are connected by this chapter, which acts as a bridge. In this chapter, Arjuna questions Krishna to clear a doubt. He says that you praise renunciation of action and again yoga, performance of action. Tell me, which is the better of the two? Arjuna's mental condition is better than before, when he wanted to run away from the post of duty. Now he can see the logic in Lord Krishna's arguments, and his confused mind is calmer, and he is ready to act and is also skilled to do so. But Arjuna still cannot think clearly, as he feels that he has a choice to act selflessly or pursue meditation. This is evident from the question he has asked. The path of action and the path of knowledge are not identical factors to be chosen from, nor are they complementary to pursue together. Participation in action and renunciation of action are two different exercises to practice serially and not simultaneously. This is the theme of this chapter. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.